TARUS Products for the longest time developed its own control. So when we picked a partner to work with, it needed to have the adaptability and flexibility that was able to accommodate that user interface that we've created. We got an opportunity to take our customer support and our customer interface and use the reliability of the SINUMERIK ONE and its new platform to really take it to the next level. The end game is always production. Being able to clone and move that to the next model over and over, it definitely speeds up production and our ability to produce large amounts of these machines when we need to. SINUMERIK ONE has really helped TARUS Products because we have a ability to look towards other technology, other developments in ways that we hadn't before in the past. So we have now integrated what we know and what we've built in with other technologies that really takes it to the next step in the development of product design and machine tool design.